Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today we're going to be showing you this beautiful 1955 Chevrolet 210 Sport Coupe Resto Mod. This one's got the Bel Air trim on it, LS1 under the hood, 4L60 transmission, 9-inch rear end, coilovers up front, 4-wheel disc all the way around, and custom cream interior that looks fantastic on this Bel Air. But let's get started up front here. Let's check out the paint and all the chrome on the front of this car. The grille looks brand new. The bumpers are brand new. This was a frame off restoration, so this one is really, really nice, guys. Your headlights are brand new. All the chrome around the headlights look fantastic. The bird up on the hood looks really nice. I'm looking at the paint here. I'm not seeing any kind of major paint imperfections like chips or dings or dents. Everything looks really nice. All the body lines present very well on this car as well. As we look at the front fender, everything looks nice and clean here. I'm not seeing any kind of chips or paint imperfections. It looks really, really nice. You got that Bel Air chrome trim on here that looks fantastic. You got a set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels with those disc brakes sitting in behind there, which are really, really nice. You got a 215 wide tire on here, which is really nice as well. As we look at the door and the roof of the car, it looks fantastic. I'm not seeing any kind of paint imperfections. Everything looks really, really nice on this car. This car looks really good in person. Hopefully it's picking that up on video. You've got the nice chrome here around the window that looks really nice. Doors open and close fantastic. Your mirrors, chrome is in great condition as well. The wing window looks nice. All the weather stripping around it looks in great condition. Looks really, really, really nice. As we work our way down the back quarter panel here, everything looks really nice on it. The chrome is in excellent condition. You got the Bel Air logo up there as well. It looks really nice. Out back, you've got that 15-inch American torque thrust wheel with a 235 wide tire, which is also really nice. Your glass and your weather stripping back here and all the chrome looks really nice. Looks in excellent condition. You got two 6x9s back there in the package tray for your radio, which is really nice as well. As we work our way around the back side of the car here, it's in excellent condition. You got dual exhaust with two chrome tips out the bottom of the bumper there. Your bumper is in excellent condition, looks really clean. Your tail lights are also in good condition. You also have this third brake light made into the Chevrolet logo back here on the back of the trunk lid, which is really cool. It looks really cool when you're hitting the brakes and you're stopping and stuff, and extra safety there too. People can see your brakes really, or your brake lights really good as well. But overall, a fantastic looking car in excellent condition and has gone through a very extensive restoration. But let's work our way back up front so I can show you that LS1 under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out this really pretty engine bay here. Once again, you got that LS1 underneath the hood here. I like that they kept the red Corvette coil covers on here. It looks really nice. Your intake manifold has been painted in a gloss black, which looks really nice. You've got an upgraded serpentine system on here that gives you upgraded AC, nice polished look for the alternator and AC compressor as well. You've got an upgraded Griffin radiator to keep everything nice and cool for this motor. You got disc brakes on this car with a power master cylinder and booster. Firewall's really clean and painted nicely. All the wiring's done really clean as well. Overall, beautiful engine bay, guys, that looks really nice, and this car runs even better than it looks. But we're going to wrap this up, work to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, let's check out this beautiful cream colored interior in here with the red carpet and red dash. You've got a set of upgraded Dakota digital gauges here, which are really nice. You've got a nice chrome upgraded steering column with tilt wheel, which is also really nice. You've got that original style Bel Air steering wheel that's also done in the cream that is absolutely beautiful. All the chrome and bright work in here is in excellent condition and looks really nice. You also have the upgraded vintage air controls here, which are also really, really nice. Your door panels are all aftermarket and look freaking awesome. They just fit in this car and the interior really, really nicely. The seat is in excellent condition and very, very comfortable. The headliner is even beautiful in here as well. Overall, a fantastic interior that offers all the upgrades that you want, but also keeps that classic look, which is really nice as well. Well, let's get to my favorite part and let's go take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the 55, and so far I'm so impressed. I love these resto mods. When you have the upgraded engine and the upgraded suspension and the braking and all the modern stuff on the interior, it just makes them such a joy to drive. It's not like driving an original 55 Chevy where the steering's real sloppy, the motor's underpowered, suspension doesn't feel that great, and the brakes are terrible. This one's had all the right upgrades to make this thing really nice to drive, and it looks really good as well, which is always a plus. But you've got the upgraded gauges in here, which are all working like they should. You've got AC that blows ice cold. You've got an upgraded radio in here that also sounds really nice, which is just an added plus. But overall, just a fantastic driving car. The steering feels really nice on it. The brakes feel really good. You could put your wife behind the wheel of this car and let her drive it, and it would not be a problem at all. But this would be a great car to take on a date night, or just to get out and joyride by yourself and blow off some steam after a hard week of work. But overall, just really sweet car. Drives really nice. I'm not hearing any kind of rubbing or weird noises coming from the car. Overall, fantastic driving car. Feels really nice. Plenty of power. Transmission shifts good. There's not much more you could ask for in a 1955 Chevy 210 Sport Coupe like this one. It's a really nice one. We're going to get back to the dealership, and we're going to put this one up on the lift so I can show you how nice the bottom side is. All right, guys, we got the 55 back here at the dealership and up on the lift. Overall, very, very clean underneath here. Like we mentioned earlier in the video, this was a frame-off restoration, so these are things that you expect, like a painted frame, floor pans all painted nice, upgraded motor. You got rack and pinion steering here, which is really nice. It really makes the steering on this car really, really good. You've got adjustable coilovers here with your stock style A-arms, which is really nice. You got a sway bar up front there with all fresh bushings. All the ball joints, tie rod ends, all the boots and everything here look in really good condition, look brand new. Your oil pan is nice and dry. Your transmission pan is dry as well. No signs of any leaks down here. The bottom of the car is super clean. Like I said, it's all painted in like a gloss black. Your drive shaft is nice. You got a nice aluminum drive shaft, which is really nice. Dual exhaust back here to these mufflers, which are Flowmasters, which sound really nice with that LS1. You've got an upgraded 9-inch rear end that can handle all the power from that LS1. You've got some air shocks back here as well, and an upgraded aluminum fuel tank with an in-tank pump, which is also really nice. It's quieter and just more efficient. But overall, a very, very nice 55 Chevrolet 210 Sport Coupe, which looks like a Bel Air. If you're interested in this car, give us a call today at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris, which is me, or my partner Justin. We definitely don't see this one lasting long. We feel like that for the value in the restoration and all the stuff done to it, we do not see this one lasting long at the asking price that we're asking. So don't hesitate, give us a call today. But we're gonna wrap up this video, and we hope to catch you on the next one.